Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about variables. Variable is more useful and helpful when we create a computer program. We use variables to store some data in computer memory. Variable has two parts, variable name and variable value. Variable name is just a name that we use to identify the computer memory location that holds our value. Let's see some example of how to create a variable using Python language. I need to use the variable to store some person's age. I use the variable name as age because I'm going to store age now. To store value in the age variable, we have to use equal sign. Now, we need to give our value which is going to store in age variable. Right, we have created a variable now. This is how we make a variable in Python language. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to take user input using Python language. I'll see you in next video.